Unlock the secret to doubling your sales team's productivity without breaking the bank. Keep watching to discover how. Close is tailored specifically for sales teams with fewer than 100 members, offering powerful tools for efficiency. Simplifying technology means having integrated CRM, email, global calling, SMS, and video all in one place. Qualifying extensive lead lists quickly can transform your sales approach, giving you a competitive edge in the market. Experience transparent and straightforward pricing that truly reflects the value you receive with Close. With the fastest onboarding and adoption ratings, sales teams can hit the ground running without delays. However, Close may not suit organizations needing advanced features like built-in proposal generators or comprehensive marketing tools. It's not designed for outside sales teams, so that's something to consider based on your organization's needs. While other options might appear affordable, many require complicated add-ons that can slow down your scaling process. Discover why Close is not just the best CRM, but the highest rated by customers. Start your journey today.